A multi-rotor drone enables stable aerial photography, surveillance, exploration, and efficient remote-controlled operations. Today's video is about top 5 best multi-rotor drone that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Blind Multi-Rotor Drone. This multi-rotor drone is designed to deliver an enjoyable and reliable flying experience for beginners and hobbyists. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, it offers improved wind resistance, better flight stability, and longer motor life compared to traditional coreless motors. The 1080p HD camera features a 90 degrees electronic adjustment, allowing users to capture different aerial perspectives directly through a smartphone app without needing to land. Its sleek aerodynamic design helps reduce air resistance while providing a modern appearance. For added excitement, the drone supports one-button 360 degrees flips, creating fun aerial stunts with ease. The headless mode simplifies control by allowing movement based on the pilot's direction, making it easier for new users to operate. The package includes everything needed to start flying, including a remote controller, spare propellers, phone holder, USB charging cable, screwdriver, and battery. This drone is a great choice for casual aerial photography and outdoor entertainment. Now our second product is Ruco Multi-Rotor Drone. This advanced smart drone offers a premium aerial photography experience with beginner-friendly controls and impressive flight capabilities. Its built-in 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen controller eliminates the need for a smartphone, providing a simple and convenient standalone operation. Equipped with a 0.5-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 8K photos and 4K per 30 frames per second videos with excellent detail and clarity. The 3-axis mechanical brushless gimbal ensures smooth, shake-free footage by reducing flight vibrations. Weighing under 249 g, this compact drone is travel-friendly and does not require FAA registration or remote ID in applicable cases. The R2 digital transmission system provides an extended 20,000-foot range without relying on Wi-Fi. With 2 intelligent batteries, it offers up to 64 minutes of flight time and supports fast charging. GPS, TOF, optical flow, and barometric positioning systems deliver stable flights, while AI takeoff, return to home, and safety features make it a reliable choice for beginners and enthusiasts. Our third product is DJI Multi-Rotor Drone. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight and powerful drone designed for creators, travelers, and aerial photography enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 g, it offers a convenient flying experience without requiring FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Its 4K HDR video capability with dual native ISO fusion captures detailed footage with excellent highlights and shadows in both daylight and low-light conditions. The true vertical shooting feature makes it easy to record tall subjects like buildings and waterfalls for social media-ready content. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance provide smooth, stable footage even in challenging conditions, while powerful brushless motors support reliable flight performance. With up to 10 km HD video transmission, users can explore wide areas while maintaining a clear live feed. Creative tools like quickshots and panorama add exciting shooting options. With extended battery options and intelligent features, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent compact drone for capturing professional quality aerial moments. Now number 4, Tursica Multi-Rotor Drone. This multi-rotor drone offers an enjoyable and reliable flying experience with powerful performance and beginner-friendly features. Equipped with brushless motors, it provides improved wind resistance, enhanced stability, and longer motor durability compared to traditional coreless motors. The 1080p HD camera features a 90 degrees electronically adjustable lens, allowing users to capture dynamic aerial views, from wide landscapes to overhead shots, directly through a smartphone app. Its sleek aerodynamic design reduces air resistance while giving the drone a modern and stylish appearance. For extra excitement, the one-button 360 degrees flip function lets users perform impressive aerial stunts with ease. The headless mode simplifies flight control by allowing the drone to move according to the pilot's commands, making it ideal for beginners. The package includes a remote controller, spare propellers, phone holder, charging cable, screwdriver, manual, and battery, providing everything needed for immediate flying and easy maintenance. This drone is a great choice for casual pilots and outdoor adventures. And our last choice is FactJank Multi-Rotor Drone. The FactJank F417 Pro is a beginner-friendly drone designed for kids, adults, and family entertainment. Its smart remote controller with an integrated screen allows users to enjoy live FPV viewing without needing to connect a smartphone, making flying simple and convenient. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it captures clear aerial photos and videos from different angles. The built-in LED lights add a fun visual effect, especially during evening flights, while app connectivity provides an additional real-time viewing option. Advanced optical flow positioning helps maintain a stable hover and reduces drifting, giving beginners better control and confidence during flights. Its compact design makes it easy to carry to parks, parties, and outdoor adventures. With simple controls, reliable stability, and an engaging camera experience, the FactJank F417 Pro is a great choice for families looking for an enjoyable and accessible drone for beginners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.